Good morning, Pedro! Today is Wednesday, October 11th, 2023, and I am Chase Blevins.
And I'm Gavin Whisper.
And tomorrow, our junior girls will be attending the Young's Women League Conference, so they will not be here.
Nope. So you guys go and have fun.
That's right.
And Friday, our Spanish 3 students will be participating in their annual scavenger hunt. So if you see crazy students, hey Eli, hey, can you come read this line for me?
This guy's in Spanish.
I got you. So if you see crazy students, corriente through los pasillos mañana, which means through the hallway tomorrow.
Okay, that's what's going on.
That's what's going. Don't be alarmed.
Yeah.
Don't be alarmed.
Thank you.
Thank you for our Spanish coordinator. Sign-up sheet for the fall chess tournament will be on the counter in the library now through the middle of next week. Games will be mostly played during enrichment. You will not be able to participate if you are in invention or on the ICU list.
That's right.
Sign up because I'm playing and Eli Smith's playing.
Remember, the first person to beat Eli Smith gets free merch.
Yep.
And next week, we have several things going on.
On Monday, a representative from University of Cincinnati will be here to speak to interested seniors during enrichment.
I'm quite interested.
Are you interested? I'm interested.
I'm going to be
Go
on the
Bears.
sports team.
Are the Bears? Bearcats.
Bearcats.
Oh,
Bearcats.
Look at me. About messed that up.
And on Tuesday, we have a senior picture day, a BLT meeting for teachers on that committee, and grades are due for teachers for the first 9 weeks. Guys, we've had a great first 9 weeks here at Rock Hill. Thank you.
That's right. Next Wednesday, October 18th, most of our seniors will be attending the college fair at Colgrove High School at 12:15. All seniors attending will eat first lunch, be out during 6th period, and we'll be back by 7th period. So,
that's
you
kind
going?
of yeah, I'm going.
I'm going.
Here's a fun fact from your two newscasters. Both of our mothers graduated from Dawson Bryan High School.
Yes,
aka
right.
Colgrove. So
shout out to Lena Wisman and Dorothy Blevins.
That's right. Underclassmen will also have their picture day, and teachers need to submit their intervention lists on that day as well.
That's right. And next month, November 1st, is the deadline to submit the CCP paperwork for those who are taking college classes for the first time this spring.
Okay.
You must fill out the outline application and submit the signature page to Miss Malone ASAP. So get it in.
The NHS will be hosting their annual Veterans Day dinner on Friday, November 10th at 5 p.m. The dinner is free, so you don't have to bring any money. If you have a veteran in your family who'd like to attend, please either fill out an RSVP form on a Google Classroom or let Ms. Zorns, Gavin Waldrop, or Jason Smith know.
That's right. And the Science Club is sponsoring their annual Warm and Fuzzy Drive until December 9th. They're happily accepting winter items, new or gently used, of any size. These can include coats, scarves, gloves, hats, etc. So
if you got anything, bring it in, man. Everything helps. In case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
Well, this is Good Morning Pedro, me and Gavin Wisman here, and stay classy, Rock Hill High School.
Pedro, this is your weatherman, Huntman. Today I'm a little bit more prepared for the cold weather. It's not as cold, but it will be. This is why you're gonna need a heavy jacket. It's gonna be in the 60s. You're gonna freeze. There's people behind me with shorts. I don't know what they're doing. Whoa! It's raining seals today. That shows how cold it is. Oh my lord! It's Big Joe. How you doing, buddy?
When the autumn leaves are playing.
Hey,
How can I help you?
I think I'm tardy.
Party?
Yeah,
Why are
but
you
I got
tardy?
5 tribe tokens, I think.
Really?
So does that mean I'm not tardy?
5 tribe tokens? I thought it was 10.
I guess it's 10. I got 10 tribe tokens.
Then tardy, and then we will excuse it. Have you never been tardy before?
First time being tardy. Never been tardy in my life. I'm always on school, on time. Be here on time. Come here, Gavin. Give me a little kiss on the lips. I know you want to do a peck.